Alright everybody, and welcome back to the Goody Pantry. So today we're going to be making toad in the hole. That's what mine looks like. I'm going to do them in individuals because it's just me and my wife, but this recipe can be made for a larger tray for a family. So there's the ingredients on the screen and the differences in the sausages depending on which one you want to make. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Let's get straight into it. So there's my ingredients. I've got my flour, got my eggs, I've got my milk, and I'm using Cumberland rings. I like them, they just go really well. So get your flour first and then add your eggs to the center of your flour. And then you're going to add your milk bit by bit. And what you're going, with your whisk, you're going to whisk from the center. Now if you've seen any of my bread videos, you'll see the mixer mixes in the center and it draws the flour in as it mixes. You're basically going to do the same thing. To avoid getting lumps in your mix, just mix from the center, and as you mix in, as you say, the flour just works itself into the mix. So just keep doing this bit by bit until all your milk is mixed in, and then you'll get a lovely smooth Yorkshire pudding batter. So once you've got a nice smooth batter just like that, then you're just going to season it with your salt and pepper. But do this to your own taste, everybody's different. So then once you've got your salt and pepper done, just put your mix into the fridge, ideally for 24 hours, but if you haven't got enough time, at least 3 to 4 hours will give you a good result. So next we're going to get the tray ready. So I'm using a smaller frying pan which can go in the oven. So I'm just going to cover the bottom with enough oil, and I'm going to get this into a preheated oven at 210 degrees fan, that's 230 regular, gas mark 6, or about 400 Fahrenheit. So as that comes out, that oil is heated up now, so now I'm going to put my sausage in, and I'm just going to spread it out a little. And then this is going to go back in the oven for another few minutes to get the oil really hot. Now if you're doing this with the tray, just do the exact same method, but you want a tray of oil for your 8 sausages. So that's been out now, so now I'm going to pour my Yorkshire pudding mix over the sausages. And this is going to go back into the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. Or until it comes out looking like this. Now this is ideal for me, this is what I like with a toad in the hole. I don't want there to be so much Yorkshire pudding that the sausages get lost. But if you do want a bigger Yorkshire pudding, you'll have a bit of mix left, just pour some more on and it'll be absolutely fine. Alright, thanks for watching guys. This was just a quick one, I hope this one helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you do make it, drop a comment, let me know how it turned out. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me make, and I'll catch you in the next one.